Guys, what's up? I'm gonna be a ninja. See, so guys, the ninja. See this thing. I wish I had this. There's just a chick here. To my face, like the ninja. I'm gonna test it. Test that tree. Uh, mm. Just say kasing. I mean, yard. Not just a little out. I like it like a ninja. Ninja wants to know to parkour. I'll put my hot shot in here. Whoa, cool. These are the journey. Journey. This is training in summer. We're training parkours. I'm gonna get inside. It's very old. This very parkour up there. Right there. We climb there. Yeah, I show you. And this is where we play parkours. And I like our parkours. And it's very cool. We can climb up there, and we can jump over there, and we're the coolest parkour bros ever. And we basing there. Let's get where we rest, and this is my ninja parkour training. I can't show it some parkour, but it's okay. That's okay. But I hope you like my parkours. See the cloud up there. And I can climb up there. Easy peasy. So today, guys, if you know how to parkour and ninja skills, and I will see you later. Bye.